Have you ever wondered about the complex structure of an earthworm? These humble inhabitants of our gardens and fields are far more intricate than they appear. Earthworms, in all their slimy glory, play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are nature's very own plows, aerating the soil and aiding decomposition, making our earth fertile and hospitable for plant life. But what's truly fascinating is their unique body structure. Unlike us, they don't have lungs to breathe or bones for support. Their body instead is segmented into tiny rings, each playing a crucial part in their survival. Inside this seemingly simple creature is an intricate network of organs working in perfect harmony, a testament to nature's ingenuity. From their segmented form to their amazing ability to regenerate, earthworms are creatures of wonder and significance. Just beneath our feet, these soil dwellers carry out their tireless work, unseen and largely unappreciated. Now, are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of earthworm anatomy? From afar, earthworms may seem simple, but up close, their external structure is a marvel of nature's design. Earthworms exhibit an elongated, cylindrical form, a shape that perfectly suits their burrowing lifestyle. Their bodies are segmented, divided into numerous ring-like parts, each playing a vital role in their locomotion. Now here's something fascinating. Notice that thicker band around the middle? That's the clitellum, a special segment that plays a crucial role in reproduction. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a life-giving belt. Let's not overlook their skin, which is always moist. You might think, ew, slimy. But this moisture isn't just for show. It plays a key role in their respiration as earthworms breathe through their skin. So, they might not have feathers or fur. They might not have dazzling colors or striking patterns. But each feature of their external morphology serves a purpose. So, while they might not win any beauty contests, earthworms are perfectly adapted for life underground. If you think the outside of an earthworm is fascinating, wait until you see what's inside. Let's start with the digestive system. Earthworms are soil eaters. A mouth, located at the front end of the worm, takes in soil, which travels down a tube called the pharynx. From there, it moves into the esophagus, then into the crop that serves as a storage unit, and finally into the gizzard. The gizzard is where the real magic happens. It grinds the soil, releasing the organic matter, which then gets absorbed into the bloodstream. It's like a natural soil processing factory, moving on to the circulatory system. Earthworms have a closed circulatory system, meaning their blood is confined within vessels. They have 5 pseudohearts, or aortic arches, that pump blood throughout their long, tubular body. These heart-like structures ensure that every part of the worm receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs. And what about breathing? Earthworms don't have lungs like us. Instead, they breathe through their skin. Oxygen dissolves on the moist surface of their body and enters the bloodstream. Carbon dioxide, a waste product, passes out the same way. It's a simple, yet effective system. Now, let's talk about movement. Earthworms have 2 sets of muscles that work together to help them move. Longitudinal muscles run the length of their body, while circular muscles wrap around it. By contracting and expanding these muscles in a wave-like motion, earthworms can creep forward or backward. Lastly, the nervous system. A brain located in the front end of the worm coordinates sensory information and responses. A ventral nerve cord runs along the belly side of the earthworm with ganglia or nerve cell clusters at each segment. This system allows the earthworm to respond to light, touch, and chemicals in its environment. So, there you have it. An earthworm, this seemingly simple creature, is actually a complex and fascinating marvel of nature. Its anatomy is a testament to the sheer brilliance of evolution, perfectly crafted for its humble life beneath the soil. So, as you can see, there's more to an earthworm than meets the eye. So, we've journeyed from the earthworm's surface to its inner workings. But what have we learned? Well, quite a lot actually. We've discovered that earthworms have a segmented body, which not only gives them flexibility, but also plays a key role in locomotion. We've learned that they lack lungs, yet marvelously, They breathe through their skin. We've delved deep into their internal anatomy, unearthing the complexity of their systems, from their nerve cord running the length of the body to the crop and gizzard handling digestion. Each internal component serves a unique and vital purpose. These unassuming creatures, often overlooked or even disregarded, are in fact a testament to nature's ingenuity. Each wriggling earthworm is a marvel of biological design, a perfect fit for its role in the ecosystem. Next time you see an earthworm, remember, beneath that humble exterior lies an intricate and fascinating anatomy. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.